What if I told you that the secret to a perfect deep squat has been hiding inside your body all along, waiting to be unlocked? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will discover exactly why your body refuses to go low, and how to finally break free from the stiffness that has been holding you prisoner for years. Most people believe they will never squat deep. They think their body is simply not built for it. They look at others dropping effortlessly into a perfect squat and wonder what is wrong with them. But here is the truth that nobody tells you. You were born with the ability to squat perfectly. Every single human being was. Watch any toddler in the world and you will see them sitting in a flawless, deep squat like it is the most natural thing on earth. Because it is. So, what happened to you? Life happened, chairs happened, sitting for 8, 10, 12 hours a day happened, and slowly, silently, your body forgot what it was designed to do. Your hips tightened, your ankles locked up, your muscles shortened. And one day, you tried to squat, and your body said no. But here is where the story changes. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to reverse this damage. Step by step. Movement by movement, and I promise you this, if you follow what I'm about to share, you will squat deeper than you ever thought possible, even if right now you feel as stiff as a wooden board. Let us begin with the first hidden lock that is keeping you stuck, your ankles. Most people have no idea that their ankles are the real problem. They blame their hips, they blame their knees. But the moment your ankles cannot bend forward enough, your entire squat falls apart. Your heels lift off the ground, your body leans too far forward, and you feel like you are about to fall backward. So here is what you need to do. Stand facing a wall. Place one foot about 4 inches away from the wall. Now try to push your knee forward until it touches the wall while keeping your heel flat on the ground. If your knee cannot reach the wall, your ankle mobility is limiting your squat. Do this drill every single day. Start with 10 slow repetitions on each side. Push gently, never force. Over time, your ankle will begin to open up, and when it does, you will feel something magical happen in your squat. But wait, there is another lock we need to open. Your hips. This is where most of your stiffness lives. Deep inside the hip joint, there are muscles that have been sleeping for years. They are tight, they are short, and they are fighting against you every time you try to drop low. The deepest muscle causing this problem is called the hip flexor. It runs from your lower spine, through your pelvis, and attaches to your thigh bone. When this muscle is tight, it pulls your pelvis forward and makes it nearly impossible to sit into a deep squat. Here is how you wake it up and release it. Get into a half-kneeling position. One knee on the ground, one foot in front. Now, tuck your tailbone slightly and squeeze the glute of the back leg. You should feel a deep stretch in the front of your hip. Hold this for 30 seconds. Breathe slowly. Let the tension melt away. Do this every day, and within 2 weeks, you will notice your hips starting to open like a door that has been rusted shut for years. But we are not done yet. There is a third lock that almost nobody talks about. Your deep squat muscles have forgotten how to work. You see, mobility is only half the battle. The other half is strength. Your body needs to feel safe in the deep squat position. If your muscles are not strong enough to control the movement, your brain will put on the brakes. It will tighten everything up to protect you from getting hurt. So we need to teach your body that the deep squat is a safe place to be. Here is how. Find something sturdy to hold on to. A door frame, a heavy table, a pole. Now, holding on for support, slowly lower yourself into the deepest squat you can manage. Stay there. Breathe. Rock gently, side to side. Shift your weight from one leg to the other. Spend 2 to 3 minutes in this position every single day. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Your muscles will shake. Your joints will feel strange. But this is exactly what needs to happen. You are rebuilding a movement pattern that your body lost years ago. And now, let me share with you the biggest mistake people make when trying to unlock their deep squat. They rush. They want results in 1 day, 1 week, and when they do not see instant progress, they give up. They tell themselves that their body is just not made for squatting. But this is the biggest lie you can believe. Your body is incredibly adaptable. It can change. It can heal. It can relearn movements that it forgot decades ago. But it needs time. It needs patience. It needs consistency. Think of your body like a locked safe. You have the combination now, but you cannot just spin the dial once and expect it to open. You have to turn it slowly, one number at a time, day after day. Until one morning you drop into a deep squat and it feels effortless. That moment is coming for you. Now, let me give you one more powerful tool: breathing. When you hold tension in your body, your muscles grip tighter. But when you breathe slowly and deeply, your nervous system calms down, your muscles relax, and your body allows itself to sink deeper into the stretch. So whenever you are working on your squat, focus on your breath. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Let every exhale take you a little bit deeper, a little bit lower, a little bit closer to the squat you have been dreaming of. There is something beautiful about this journey you are on. You are not just unlocking a squat. You are unlocking your body. You are reclaiming movement that was stolen from you by years of sitting, stress, and stillness. You are proving to yourself that change is possible at any age, at any fitness level, with any starting point. The body you have right now is not your final body. It is simply where you are today. And where you are today is the perfect place to begin. So here is what I want you to do. Start tomorrow morning with the ankle drill. 10 repetitions each side. Then move to the hip flexor stretch. 30 seconds each side. Then finish with 2 minutes in a supported deep squat. Do this every single day for the next 30 days. And I promise you, when those 30 days are over, you will not recognize your own body. You will squat deeper. You will move easier. You will feel younger, stronger, and more alive than you have in years. Your body is not broken. It was never broken. It was just waiting for you to remember what it was always capable of. And now you remember. So go forward with patience. Go forward with trust. Go forward knowing that every small stretch, every gentle movement, every moment you spend working on your mobility is building towards something incredible. The deep squat is not just an exercise, it is a symbol of freedom. Freedom in your joints, freedom in your movement, freedom in your life. And that freedom is already yours. You just have to claim it. One breath at a time, one stretch at a time, one squat at a time. You have got this. And I believe in you.